Hey everyone, it's great to have you back on SFTC Ninja, and I'm back with one more video of Apex Trigger Scenario series. Today we are going to discuss one more trigger interview scenario. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Guys, before going directly on coding part, first let's understand data model for today's scenario. So today we are going to work on two objects, account and opportunity, where account is the parent and opportunity is the child. Now let's understand what we are going to do today. So in today's scenario, we need to update the account description with the name of opportunity that has the highest amount. Let me explain it more clearly. Let's say we have an account record, account 1, and on this account we have some related opportunities. Let's say OPP1, OPP2, and OPP3. Let's give amount also. Amount of OPP1 is, let's say, 100, 200, and 300. Now we need to update accounts description with the name of OPP3. Why OPP3? Because this opportunity has the highest amount. So this is what we need to do today. It's time to code, so let's switch to VS Code and create a handler class. Let's name it trigger handler. Let's create our method. Public static void, let's say trg method. Guys, we need to analyze related opportunities, that which opportunity has the highest amount. That's why we will pass a list of opportunity as parameter in our method. So let's pass it. Let's name it new list. And in this list, we will pass trigger.new from our trigger. So this list is equal to trigger.new. Apply a null check on this list and iterate over it. Let's say new pp. Now guys, see, there could be a situation in which user could change the parent account of an opportunity record. So in that situation, we need to again check the amount among all related opportunities and then update the account description accordingly. So for that, we'll be needing both new parent account ID and old parent account ID. So what we will do, we will pass another parameter in our method like this, opportunity, let's say old map. And in this parameter, we will pass trigger.oldMap from our trigger. So this parameter is equal to trigger.oldMap. Let's create an instance of opportunity, old.opp. In this old.opp variable, we will store the old version of opportunity record. Now guys, our first task is to store the parent account ID, which will be used to update the description field of account. So let's create a set first. Let's say CCIDs. And in this set, we will store the parent account ID. Now, firstly, we will store parent account ID if user update the parent account of opportunity record. For that, let's apply a null check on this map. If old map not equals to null, and we will store old version of opportunity in this variable by passing new opportunity ID in get method of this map like this. Copy its name, paste it here. Old map dot get new pp.id. Basically, it retrieves the corresponding old version of opportunity for the provided opportunity record ID. Now let's use if condition to check that whether parent account gets updated or not. Like this. If old opp dot account ID not equals to new opp dot account ID. And if this condition will get true, which means if parent account gets changed, then we will store both new parent and old parent account ID in this set. Copy its name, paste it here, dot add new pp.account ID. So this code will run on updation of parent account. But we also need to get parent account ID when amount field of an opportunity record gets updated. So let's apply another check like this. Else if old opp dot amount not equals to new opp dot amount. and store parent account ID in this set. Copy this line, paste it here. So this part of code will run for update operation, but we need parent account ID for other operations also. So let's apply else here and store parent account ID here also. Copy it, paste it here. Now guys, we want that our rest of the code will be executed only if this set contains a value, which means when opportunity record on an account gets updated, inserted or deleted. So let's apply a null check on this set like this is empty. Now what we will do? We will fetch all related opportunities of an account whose ID is present in this set. So let's fetch them like this. Opportunity, select ID, account ID, amount, let's fetch name also from opportunity where account ID is in this set. And we want only opportunity records in which amount is not null. So let's use another filter like this and amount not equals to null. Apply a null check on this list and iterate over it. Now guys, we will compare amount of opportunities that we have fetched here. Then we will store opportunity with highest amount and its corresponding parent account ID in a map. So let's create a map first. We will store parent account ID in key and opportunity record in value. Opp map. Guys, we could have used aggregate function to find the highest amount, but the person who gave me this scenario told me that the interview had said not to use aggregate function. That's why we are not going to use aggregate function. So what we will do? We will use if condition here, and inside this if condition, we will apply some checks or we can say conditions like this. Opp map dot contains key, account ID, or opp amount is greater than this amount. And inside this block, we will put account ID in key and opportunity record in value like this. Dot put account ID and OPP. Guys, basically, this condition is used to identify the first opportunity record encountered for an account. If this condition gets true, then it means that this is the first opportunity record processed for the specific account. And by including this condition, we are ensuring that even if there is only one opportunity for an account, it gets added to this map. Why this thing is important? Because this second condition depends on having an existing opportunity record in this map for comparison. So in this map, we have opportunity record that has the highest amount with its corresponding account ID. Now our next task is to update the account description. For that, let's iterate over this set. For ID, let's say IDs, count ACC, and let's update the description. Opportunity with highest amount. Copy this map name, paste it here. Dot get IDs. Till here, it will return the opportunity code. And if we want to use some field, then we just need to use dot and field name. Now it is not a good practice to perform any deval operation inside for loop. So let's create a list. Let's say list to update. Copy its name, paste it here, and add account records in it. Apply a null check on it. and finally update it. Save it and deploy it to work. It is successfully deployed, so we have our handler class ready. Now let's create a trigger. Let's say obptrg. A trigger will be on opportunity object because our code will be executed whenever there is any change happen on opportunity object. So let's write opportunity here. And we have to update the parent account. So we have to use after insert, after update, after delete, and also after undelete. Now first apply a check to call our handler class only for update operation like this. Is update, copy our handler class name, paste it here, .trg method. We will pass trigger.new in first parameter and trigger.oldMap in second. So this is for update operation. Apply another check for insert and undelete operation. Trigger.is after. Copy this line, paste it here. But in second parameter, we will pass null. Apply another check for delete operation. We will pass null in second parameter and trigger.old in first parameter. Save it and deploy it to work. It is successfully deployed. So we have our code ready. It's time to see it in action. So let's go to our org. We have this account. Go to details. As of now, its description is empty. Now let's try to add some opportunity. Let's say OPP1, provide an amount, click on save. So as you can see that the description field has been updated. Let's try to insert a new opportunity with the amount greater than 100. Let's say OPP2. Go to details again. So our trigger is working fine for insert operation. Let's check for update operation also. Let's update its amount to 1000. Go to details again. Now it is showing OPP1, which is absolutely correct. Let's check for delete operation also. Go to details. Let's refresh it. Yeah, it is showing correct value, which means our trigger is working fine for every operation. So that's it for today, guys, and I'll be back with more trigger interview scenarios. Thank you and keep watching.